already. So let's look at FAQ number 9. Now, what do we have in FAQ number 9? When it comes to FAQ number 9, the question here is very simple. What should I do if my page design isn't saving in Systeme.io? Now, sometimes you will be saving your designs, you are done with your landing page and you save, you discover that everything that you've saved is not actually saved. It's just the same thing. Like a couple of times I have these issues where I will finish my design, I will save, and they will tell me, no, it's still showing the old stuff. I'll be like, no, but I just changed it and I saved it. I click saved and it's saved. But guess what? If you don't know how to solve that issue once and for all, you will find yourself saving your work, but it will not save. And if you are running an advert on that particular landing page with wrong information, it means you're going to be losing a lot of money. So how do you solve this type of issue? The first thing you want to do when you are dealing with your Systeme.io account, let's say this is your account, on this particular page and you are clicking save, it will just show save here, but when you come back you notice that the edit is not saving, nothing is working, it's not saving. So what you want to do is you want to go to this place here, the right hand corner, you click this way and you go to settings on your browser. Very important. The major cause of this issue usually is your cache, right? When you are in this place, when you click on settings, it will bring you to the setting interface here. Just type cache. When you type cache, you will see this option, delete browsing data. Click on this part, delete browsing data. You will see option here, cache images and files. This is very important. Sometimes you can do this, but if you add this to this option, you are going to be deleting some of your password that is saved on your browser. And if you don't have them saved or remember, you might lose them. So if you don't want that, just leave this cache, then click delete, and this will delete the cache. So when you now go back on your Systeme.io, try to save. This time around it will save. After saving, click this place here. When you click this place, it will open it on a new browser for you so that you can check it out to be sure if it is working properly. Let me see. Okay, still loading. Okay, so once you click here to save, you can just check your work or go back to the funnel itself. And when you go back, let's see, after saving like this, you click exit like this. Then you can just go back to the funnel and view. This is my funnel list. Let me allow it to load. I think I'm having a little bit of a network issue here. Now if I click funnel step here, it's going to open everything for me. Now I'll be able to see if everything is all right. As you can see, we are good to go. Everything here is good. So we don't have any issues with it not saving anymore. So that's how you solve the problem of you trying to save, but it's not saving in your Systeme.io designer. And that is FAQ number 9 when it comes to Systeme.io.